As you are now familiar with SPSS Data Editor window and Output Viewer window, you would have observed that you can't write description or write report in SPSS Output Viewer. For that, you need to copy and paste tables and graphs from SPSS Output Viewer to Word document. If you have few tables and graphs, copy paste is an easy option. What if you have a large number of tables and graphs? One advantage of SPSS is all the analysis you run one after the other are presented in a single output viewer. Once you are done with running all statistical analysis, instead of copying and pasting each table and graph in a Word document, you can export complete report to Word document in one go. Customer survey.sav file contains survey data belonging to 589 retail store customers who participated in a retail store evaluation survey. The file has 19 variables, of which 4 variables measure demographics of customers and 15 variables measure retail store evaluation on various parameters. Using this dataset, run multiple statistical analysis. Click on Analyze tab and highlight Descriptive Statistics. From pop-up list, click on Frequencies. Frequencies dialog box appears on screen. Place cursor on left side pane and hold Ctrl key on keyboard and press alphabet A on keyboard. This will enable you to select all the variables in a left pane. Next, click on the arrow button and observe all variables are now listed in variables, that is right side pane. Next, click on Charts and select Bar Chart. Click Continue button. Next, click on Format button. Frequencies Format dialog box appears on screen. In multiple variables, select Organize Output by Variables. With this option, table and graph belonging to each variable is presented together. If you opt for Compare Variables, then all tables are presented first, followed by all graphs. Next, click on the Continue button. Finally, click OK. Report is presented in a new window. Similarly, calculate crosstabs on this dataset. Click on Analyze tab, highlight Descriptive Statistics. From options, select Crosstabs. Crosstabs dialog box appears on screen. From left pane, choose Gender of the respondents and click on the arrow button appearing before row box. Next, select multiple variables in the left pane and click on the arrow button shown before columns. By doing this, you are calculating multiple crosstabs where gender is a grouping factor and each variable is dependent variable. Click on Cells button. In percentages, select Total. Click on Continue. Click OK. Crosstabs are calculated. Individually, copying and pasting all these tables into a Word document is time-consuming and there may be a chance of missing few tables. Here comes the advantage of SPSS Statistics Export option. With a few clicks, you can export all the tables and graphs into Word document from Output Viewer. For this, click on the File tab in menu bar. From the list of options, select Export. Export Output dialog box is displayed. In document type, select Word RTF, that is Rich Text Format. Then click on Browse button. Save File dialog box appears. In Look in box, Choose the destination of the file where it should be saved. Give file name as frequency and crosstabs and click on the Save button. Next, click on the OK button on Export Output dialog box. Close all windows and look in desktop. Frequency and crosstab.doc file is created. Open the file by double-clicking on it. You can see all the tables and graphs are exported. Here, you can edit tables and graphs as you normally do on a Word document.